It is very nice to greet you again. In today's video we will talk about the following. Bald spots in dogs. 8 common proven causes. Before we delve into the specific causes of bald spots in dogs, how dangerous are they? It's obviously distressing to see a portion of that shiny coat disappear, or to brush your dog and see much larger than normal clumps of hair shed with each stroke. Unfortunately, it's never a simple fix, as there are many reasons why your pet could be losing part of its coat. Bald spots can develop into lesions, sores, and infections if left untreated, and they can recur if the cause isn't identified or treated. What are the causes of bald spots in dogs? As with cats, there are several possible causes that can lead to bald spots. Many of them are the same, but there are also some differences that we'll discuss below. 1. Allergies. Dogs can have allergies or sensitivities to things like mold, dust mites, pollen, household chemicals, and even food. While allergies manifest differently, especially depending on the method of exposure to the allergen, bald spots are not uncommon. Basically, it works very similarly to dermatitis in humans. Your dog brushes against something they're allergic to or eats it, triggering a release of histamines in the affected area. This causes inflammation in a host of symptoms, including itching, scratching, chewing, sneezing, irritated and watery eyes, eye discharge, runny nose, and, of course, bald spots. 2. Parasites or infections. Pretty much any nasty little bug that comes into contact with your pet can cause bald spots. Infestations, such as fleas, ticks, ringworm, mites, or other types of parasites, occur because they bite or live in the skin. The skin, of course, doesn't like it and reacts with inflammation, irritation, and other symptoms. Flea infestations are honestly one of the most common causes of bald spots in dogs, especially when they appear in areas like around the collar and behind the ears, where fleas can roam without the dog reaching them. The most extreme cases of this are things like mange, especially in stray dogs or dogs that have been lost for a long time. 3. Pressure ulcers. Basically, pressure and friction rub against the fur and skin, damaging them over time. The greater the pressure and friction, and the longer it lasts, the greater the damage. Over time, it can wear down the fur enough to cause a bald spot, skin irritation, and even scars or calluses. This is more common in large, heavy dogs, and older dogs. It's also characteristic of areas where the dog's skin comes into contact with an object. It usually appears on elbows, hips, and other joints. It can also occur in dogs with very low activity levels. 4. Cushing's disease. Hair growth is regulated by hormones, and one of them, cortisol, the stress hormone, also known as adrenaline, can cause hair loss when present in excessive amounts. This is why people and animals lose hair when they are stressed. Cushing's disease occurs when your dog's hormonal system becomes unbalanced and produces excess cortisol. This can be due to a variety of causes, from age to a tumor somewhere in the hormonal system, and is more common in older dogs. 5. Stress. Anything from moving to an unpleasant encounter with another dog to generalized anxiety can cause increased cortisol levels. This, in turn, can lead to hair loss. Hormones take time to affect hair follicles, and they take longer to grow or die, so the actual stressful event may have occurred weeks or months ago. Fortunately, if the stress is temporary, so is the hair loss. 6. Hair loss due to genetics. Just as people lose hair with age, so too do dogs. Genetics can influence hair loss, and it isn't always gradual. However, it is generally related to breed and age. Dogs like dachshunds, chihuahuas, and greyhounds may experience patchy hair loss when they reach 1 or 2 years of age. Other breeds lose hair in their later years. Other causes. There are other possible causes of bald spots. An injury can cause a bald spot. Post-surgical recovery can also cause it. Cancer can also wreak havoc on your pet's system and cause hair loss, both from unusual growths caused by tumors and from hormonal disturbances. All of these conditions vary in severity and require different types of treatment. As always, consult your veterinarian at your next appointment. It is a pleasure to inform you and help you. If you have not subscribed to the channel, you should do it now. Take care of yourself and your furry friend. A hug, and until the next video.